Simix. Clean grout, remove grease, safer floors with just a mop. Simix is the best way to clean ceramic tile, VCT, and quarry tile. Clean grout with just a mop. Safer floors, less slippery. Simix doesn't smear grease around. Simix removes it. It's easy to clean with Simix. For the best results, use a 2-bucket system. Use hot water. Add 2 small scoops of Simix multi-surface kitchen degreaser for every gallon of water.
We'll dip it in the rinse water. We then will wring it out. We then take the fresh water.
Then mop as you normally would.
This is our floor before we use Simix on it. If you notice, in the grout lines, you'll see little white particles. That's little eggshells and things that have been deposited by the mops over months. Now over here, you'll see perfectly clean grout, and grout that's actually getting lighter right there from using Simix. There's nothing in the grout. It's sanitizing and it continues working as it's on the floor.
Simix, easier to clean, faster to dry, sanitized, safer, and less slippery. Learn more at simixkitchendegreaser.com.